In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a meeting link in Calendly. This simple process is quick and will only take about 5 minutes of your time. So whether you regularly use Calendly for scheduling meetings or are just getting started, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to locate and share your meeting links effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and go directly to Calendly's homepage by typing in calendly.com. As an online scheduling platform, Calendly is the go-to tool for seamlessly managing meeting events. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option at the top right corner that says Login. Go ahead and click on that. This step is essential, as it grants you access to your personal scheduling dashboard where all your events are listed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the same email that you registered with on Calendly. Once you've typed in your email, click the Continue button. This will bring up the next field where you need to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, then click Continue once more. It's important to maintain the confidentiality of your login credentials, so ensure that your password is strong and secure. Having successfully logged in, you will be directed to the Calendly homepage. This is essentially your control center where you can manage your events and settings. Here you'll see a list of all the events you've created. To find your meeting link, the next thing you want to do is select the specific event you're interested in. Simply scroll down the list or use the search feature to locate the event. Click on the event to open up its settings. Within the event's details, look for an option that says Copy Link. By clicking this, you'll copy the meeting link to your clipboard, which you can then paste into any message, email, or platform where you wish to share it. Finally, with the link successfully copied, you are now able to share it with your meeting attendees. Sharing the link will allow them to book the meeting directly through the link, simplifying the scheduling process significantly. Calendly ensures that all parties involved can respond and interact with the event effortlessly, moving the entire scheduling experience online. And that's it, you've successfully found and copied your meeting link in Calendly. Remember, keeping your scheduling organized not only saves time, but helps in maintaining professionalism. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to check out more of our tips and tricks to enhance your Calendly experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling.